Woodworking machinery is a marvel of engineering, transforming raw wood into wood products and raw materials to serve human life. Let's watch the entire video together to see the greatness of these machines. We come to a machine that processes wood into firewood. Compared to using an axe to chop firewood, this machine is about 20 times faster. This is a chain machine system to create wooden bars and wooden planks. With this modernity, people have saved a lot of time and effort. Logs like these play an important role in building infrastructure. These modern cutting machines with precise cutting technology can create them with ease. These are the most modern wood peeling machines from the United States, capable of working automatically and with up to 99.8% accuracy. Let's start with the most modern Vermeer HJ 6000 Level 4 Crusher HO. With its rugged design and advanced features, this beast of a mill is built to handle the toughest woods with ease, keeping processing plants running non-stop. Halverson firewood processors make the job easier. When attached to a skid steer or other equipment, it allows the operator to perform cutting and splitting tasks easily and efficiently. This machine is only used in places where there is a high demand for firewood. It can split 40 tons of firewood within a day. In cold places, firewood is an indispensable raw material. Without it, fighting the harsh weather is difficult. This cutting machine looks rudimentary but is capable of cutting with very high precision. In addition, it also has the ability to stop immediately after 0.1 seconds if our hand touches the saw blade. However, we shouldn't try. For wood types such as oak and pine that are mainly produced for firewood, factories like this will produce about 1,000 tons of firewood a day to supply local people in cold areas. We continue to discuss other types of woodworking machines. This machine comes with many different cutting modes and angles, ensuring you can cut and shape in many different ways. If you are someone who has worked in wood processing factories, please subscribe to our channel to watch more interesting videos in wood processing machinery. The 6602, rated at 1200 horsepower, is the epitome of raw power and efficiency in wood recycling. It can crush large quantities of wood waste, processing up to 1,000 cubic meters of material per hour. The patterns after being cut out of wood are so beautiful. Please comment and let me know how many wooden materials your house is built with. Let's see who has the most. Next is a very large firewood processing workshop in France. This is one of the largest firewood consuming countries in the world. Let's see how they process wood into firewood. Human science and technology has developed to the point where we do not need to work. Machines operate automatically according to available programming, and the accuracy is up to 100. With a 600 horsepower Cat engine and 318 horsepower clutch, the Morbark 1100 barrel grinder is capable of crushing large volumes of wood scrap with ease, turning it into high-value fuel and using consumer products. with its excellent ability to process hardwood logs. The Pezzolotto PTH 1200 660M drum chipper plays an important role in biomass production, and forestry operations ensure sustainable resource use while maximizing efficiency. Unther Triturator QR1700, an advanced shredder that redefines the industrial waste treatment process. It efficiently transforms various waste streams into valuable resources. When combining a chainsaw with a specialized tree stand, the sawman will be able to easily cut the tree to his liking. With unlimited capacity and maximum adaptability, Woodzilla can crush 3.5 tons of wood within 1 hour. These devices are very important for modern forestry. The use of technology helps people save a lot of time and effort. Thank you for watching all the videos. See you in the next video.